Hello everyone, so glad to welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a simple, healthy, and wonderfully tasty recipe with cabbage and lentils. If you're cooking for the whole family, grab 2 medium cabbages right away. Cut each one into 4 pieces. In a deep bowl, pour 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add a little salt. Sprinkle in 1 gram of smoked paprika and another gram of cumin. Mix everything together so nicely. Add a sprig of rosemary, it gives such a beautiful aroma. Brush each cabbage piece with this marinade. Pour a bit of olive oil into a pan. Place the cabbage pieces into the pan. Sear them for 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Move the golden cabbage onto a plate. Peel a red onion. Yellow onion or shallot works fine too. Chop it into small pieces. Friends, don't forget to subscribe so we can always stay connected. Peel 5 to 6 garlic cloves, then chop them finely. Take 2 small sweet peppers or 1 regular one. Slice the pepper in a way that feels easy for you. Friends, tell me in the comments which city you're watching from. I'd love to know. Take a couple of fresh celery stalks. Slice them however you like. You can also swap celery for spinach if you prefer. Measure about 1.5 to 2 cups of red lentils. That's around 150 to 200 grams. Cover them with water. Rinse them well. Pour out the cloudy water. Fill with fresh water and rinse once again. I hope you're loving this recipe so far. It means a lot to share it with you. Pour a little olive oil into a pan. Add in the chopped vegetables. Stir and let them cook gently for 5 minutes. Add the red lentils. Pour in 1 cup of clean water. Stir everything together and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Stir in 100 grams of tomato paste. Season with salt to taste. Add black pepper. Mix well and turn off the heat. Take some fresh basil leaves. Chop them finely. Place the lentils with vegetables onto a plate first. Spread them evenly on the plate. Then place a few pieces of cabbage on top. Crumble feta cheese over it, traditional or vegan, as you prefer. Sprinkle with basil, and it's ready to enjoy. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Your support really means so much to me. And please write in the comments if you tried this easy and delicious recipe in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to your feedback. See you again in the next video.